Is the cricket captain is also a project manager? Are you crazy? So is Virat Kohli is also a project manager? Yes, answer is yes. So let me explain to you with the example. Let me start with cricket match, T20 or one day cricket match. In typically T20 or one day cricket match, as you know, there are always two innings, and the first inning sets the target for the second inning to chase and win the match. So, for example, if there is 200 runs to achieve for the second team and they have to chase that target, they have to achieve 10 runs per over, and then or maybe exceed so that they are able to finish the match even before 20th over. Now, in this process, the captain has to do a lot of activities. It's not so straightforward because after setting the target, there are always scenarios where the first inning the batsmen are not able to chase the target quickly, or there are quick wickets at the start of the game and so on. So as per the condition of the match, the captain has to decide whether whom to send now, whom to send later, and various strategies, come out with the various strategy in such a way that they are able to win the match consistently. Okay, let's say example of Dhoni is why he is able to do that, because he is able to apply all the strategies effectively and win the match. Now this strategy has lot of similarity with the project management in construction management. Okay, let's take the example of construction of a building. In the construction of a building, there are activities like excavation of ground, then RCC structure, then plumbing, electrification, then painting work, hand door, and so on. So there are multiple activities are involved, and while doing so, all those stages of the project, the project manager need to divide that into micro activities, such as ordering the material and then bringing the material, taking it into stock, daily issuing the material, and so on. So breaking down those activities and assigning the cost to each activity. Now in this entire process, the project manager and planning team, they are what actually they are doing, they are creating a very important setting the baseline called as the scheduling, or creation of the schedule, or creation of a budget. Once the schedule or budget is created, of course, while doing so, they need to take the support of the team like accounts team, then procurement team, and then contracting team, and so on. And through that, they have to finish that process, freeze the baseline. Once the baseline is decided, that means the reference size is ready, now it's the job of the team to execute the project, and the job of the project manager is to ensure that they are consistently delivering the project as per the given timeline and the budget. But let me tell you, this process is not so simple, because there are always hurdles involved in any project, such as getting delayed material, or lack of labor force, or maybe sometime there is a weather conditions are not supportive, for example extreme heavy rain, and so on. So in spite of all such hurdles, the job of project managers to ensure that they are still able to deliver the project bang on time and budget. The successful project managers are able to deliver the consistent milestones because of use of certain tools and techniques effectively. Now you can see there is a lot of similarity between cricket captain, where cricket captain has to ensure the certain run rate, and project manager has to ensure the budget and the schedule as per the given by planning department. So in other words, the cricket captain like Dhoni or Virat Kohli or Rohit Sharma, they are actually project managers. Okay, we are not calling them as the project managers, but they are project managers. So there are multiple examples where the project managers, management, and many other fields has a similarity. Whether a captain or a project manager, the aim is to complete the project bang on time. To know more, subscribe our channel for more project management related videos. Thank you so much.